Hello, everyone. Welcome to Joe and Anna English Podcast. I am Joe.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna. We're really happy you're here today.
You know what? Let me ask you something. A simple question. How are you feeling right now? Before we continue, take a second and think about it. And if you like learning English is easy and fun, please like this episode and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us, and it helps you practice more English.
That's a good question. Many people don't stop to think about their feelings.
That's true. We feel something every day.
But we don't always talk about it.
And for English learners, talking about feelings can feel difficult.
Yes, some learners feel nervous about saying the wrong thing,
They think they need perfect English.
or long and difficult sentences.
But actually, simple words are enough.
Exactly. Honest English is better than perfect English.
For example, we can say, I am happy today.
Or we can say, I feel happy today.
Oh, really? Both are okay?
Yes, both sound natural in daily English.
So, I am and I feel are both very useful.
Yes, I feel is often about right now.
And I am can be about longer feelings.
That's right. You're understanding it well.
Let me share a small example. Today, I feel happy.
Oh, nice. Why do you feel happy today?
Well, I had a calm morning.
That sounds great. Small things matter.
Sometimes I also feel tired.
Me too. That's very normal.
So, listeners, simple words are enough.
Now it's your turn. How do you feel today and why? Write your answer in the comments.
All right, let's continue. Now let's talk about everyday emotions. These are feelings we use again and again.
Yes. Simple feelings we talk about every day.
For example, when someone asks, "How are you today?"
Most people answer very quickly.
They say things like, "I'm good."
Or, I'm fine.
But we can say a little more.
Yes, we can be more real and natural.
Let's start with a very common word, happy.
Happy is a good feeling. Everyone likes this word.
I feel happy when the weather is nice.
Me too. Sunshine makes me feel happy.
Another common feeling is sad.
Yes, sad is also part of life.
I feel sad when I miss my family.
That's very normal. Missing people can make us sad.
Now let's talk about tired.
Oh yes, I feel tired very often.
I feel tired after a long day at work.
Same here, or when I don't sleep well.
So we can say, I am tired.
Or I feel tired.
Both are easy and natural.
Yes, no difficult grammar.
Let's try a short daily conversation.
Okay, that sounds helpful.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm a little tired, but I feel happy.
Oh, really? Why do you feel happy?
Because I finished my work early.
That's great. Small things can change our mood.
Exactly. You don't need big stories.
Just simple feelings and simple reasons.
That's how real conversations sound.
So, listeners, remember this.
Happy, sad, and tired are great words to start with.
You can use them every day.
Now it's your turn.
Question for you. Which word do you use most? Happy, sad, or tired? Write one sentence in the comments. This time, let's talk about body feelings. These are feelings we feel in our body every day.
Yes, we feel them often, even without thinking.
Let's start with a very common feeling, hungry.
Oh yes, that feeling comes very quickly.
I feel hungry in the morning. especially when I skip breakfast.
Me too. Then my stomach makes noise.
Another common feeling is thirsty. We feel this after talking or walking.
Exactly. After a hot day, I really want water.
So we can say, I am hungry or I feel thirsty.
Yes, both sound natural and easy.
Now let's talk about energy. Sometimes we feel energetic.
Like after good sleep or exercise.
I feel energetic in the morning. I feel ready to do many things.
But later in the day, that energy can go away.
Then we feel tired or even exhausted.
Exhausted means very, very tired.
For example, after a long workday or after cleaning the house.
Oh yes, cleaning makes me exhausted too.
But after cleaning, the house feels nice and calm.
That's true, so the feeling changes.
Body feelings change during the day, and it's okay to talk about them.
Yes, it helps people understand us better.
We don't need big words, just honest and simple English.
Hungry, thirsty, tired.
Let's try a small example now. How are you feeling right now? Hungry, thirsty, tired, or energetic? Write one sentence in the comments. Now let's talk about strong emotions. These feelings are bigger and more powerful.
Yes, we feel them in special moments.
One strong feeling is excited. We feel excited about good things.
Like before a trip or a holiday.
I feel excited before I travel. I think about new places.
Me too. I feel excited before meeting friends.
But sometimes excitement comes with another feeling.
You mean nervous?
Yes, excited and nervous can come together.
That's true, like before a test or a meeting.
I feel nervous before speaking English sometimes.
Oh really? That's very normal.
My heart beats fast. My hands feel cold.
I see. That happens to many people.
Another strong feeling is stressed.
Oh yes, stress is very common today.
I feel stressed when I have too much work.
Me too, and not enough time.
When I feel stressed, I try to breathe slowly.
That's a good idea. It helps the body relax.
Sometimes we also feel angry.
Yes, angry is a strong feeling.
I feel angry in heavy traffic.
Wow, traffic makes many people angry.
When I feel angry, I stop and take a deep breath.
That sounds helpful. Anger can go away.
Strong emotions are not bad.
Yes, they are part of being human.
We just need simple words to talk about them.
Excited, nervous, stressed.
Using these words helps others understand us.
And it helps us understand ourselves too.
Now let's think about you.
Here's the question for you. Which strong emotion do you feel most often? Excited, nervous, stressed, or angry? Tell us why in the comments.
Now let's talk about feelings for other people. These feelings connect us with family and friends.
Yes, they help us show care and kindness.
For example, when someone is sad,
We often feel sorry for them.
I feel sorry when my friend is sick.
Me too. I want to help them feel better.
We can say, I'm sorry you feel sad.
Yes, that sentence is very kind.
Another feeling is proud.
Oh, I like that word.
I feel proud when my friend gets a new job.
That's nice. Being proud of others feels good.
We can also feel happy for someone.
Yes, like when a friend shares good news.
I say, I'm happy for you.
That sounds warm and friendly.
Sometimes we feel worried about people.
Oh, yes, worried is very common.
I feel worried when my family is late.
I understand. That means you care.
Another feeling is lonely.
Lonely can feel heavy.
I feel lonely when I'm in a new place.
Me too, especially without friends nearby.
But we can talk about it.
Yes, talking helps us feel less alone.
These feelings are important in daily life,
They help us connect with others.
and we can express them with simple English.
Sorry, proud, worried.
Simple words can show big feelings.
That's true. We don't need long sentences.
Now, let's think about your life.
Here's our question for you. How do you feel about someone in your life right now? Proud, worried, happy, or sorry? Write one sentence in the comments.
Now it's time to review. Let's look at the key words we learned today. We talked about many feelings in daily English.
Yes, simple words but very useful words.
Let's start with happy. Happy means you feel good inside.
For example, I feel happy when I talk to my friends.
Next is tired. Tired means your body needs rest.
Like saying, I am tired after a long day.
We also learned hungry and thirsty. These are body feelings.
I feel hungry before lunch. I feel thirsty after walking.
Another important word is excited. Excited is strong, happy energy.
I feel excited about the weekend.
We also talked about nervous. Nervous means a little scared or worried.
For example, I feel nervous before a test.
Then we had stressed. Stressed means too many things in your mind.
I feel stressed when I have too much work.
We also learned proud. Proud means feeling good about yourself or others.
I feel proud of my progress in English.
And we talked about lonely. Lonely means feeling alone.
I feel lonely when I'm far from my family.
These words help us talk about real life.
Yes, they help people understand us better.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just simple words and honest feelings.
Try to use one new feeling word every day.
You can say it out loud or write it down.
We're very happy you practiced with us today.
Yes, thank you for spending your time with us.
Before we finish, let's ask one last question.
Which feeling word did you like most today and why? Write your answer in the comments. If this episode helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. We post new English conversations every week.